It's a very cold Thursday morning. I find myself at Carlingford. I woke up, I thought, why not ride all the trams? Except it's not going very well because my first tram was cancelled.
My plan for the day was to get the 7:33 tram from Carlingford all the way to Westmead, then jump on a train to Central at 8:06. I'd then try to make the 8:37 tram to Circular Quay, get a train back to Central, get the 9:06 tram to Randwick, take a 390X bus to Juniors to join the 9:41 back to Central, before finally getting the 9:58 tram to Dulwich Hill. That 7:33 tram, however, was inexplicably 10 minutes late leaving the depot, which made me miss every single connection after that.
The next stop is Children's Hospital.
It went about as worse as it possibly could. The first tram was cancelled, next tram was 4 minutes late. So now I've missed my connection at Westmead, which just means I'm going to miss all my other connections. I was going to do a piece to camera on the tram, but it was also just way too busy. So now I've got to wait at Westmead for the next train. I'm down about 15 minutes. I'd originally hoped this would take 3 hours, but it's going to take more like 3.5 now.
Is Circular Quay. This service terminates at Circular Quay. This stop is...
I need to make this train, but I think I've just missed it. I needed to make that. Anyway, that was tram number 2. Getting the train back to Central, and then we're off to Randwick. Suddenly gotten a lot quieter. My train's now here. Go to Central and then jump on a tram to Randwick. About an hour and a half in. A bit of a change of plan. I think I'll go to Kingsford if I can get on the tram. The platform's very busy. Maybe I shouldn't have done this in peak hour. Maybe that was a bad idea. Tram's running late as well, and it's the tram that I just got off. Lots of bad decisions. My plan's just in complete tatters. Oh well. About an hour and 40 in at the moment. The tram arrives in 4 minutes. I think this is the longest layover yet. They're all delayed, all the time, always. Like 5 minutes late. Anyway, and there's no chance I'm getting on this tram. Not a chance. Tram number 3, tick. Turns out all the people, all the students at Central were going to Randwick, so I was able to get on, but I missed the bus. About 2 hours, 10 minutes in, I need to get a 3 something or other bus. I was going to get a 390X, but I missed it because it made up time and the tram got even more delayed. Every tram has been late. Every single one. That better not be my bus. That better not be my bus. That, oh thank fuck, okay. That better not be, that might be the bus I wanted. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. That was, in fact, the bus. That's alright, it's only a half-hour walk. My cardio for the day, I guess. This has gone so badly wrong. I built contingencies into my plan. My original plan had several contingencies, because there were some tight changes, there were some 1-minute changes. But I did not think everything would be this late. None of the trams that I've been on, and 3 trams, they've all been at least 5 minutes late. And even Carlingford this morning, I was supposed to get on a tram that was coming fresh out of the depot. I thought, okay, straight into service. It's gonna be on time. And it was 9 minutes late. And it arrived at Carlingford after the next tram. So I thought the next tram would go first. And it didn't. So anyway, I still wouldn't have made the train at Westmead, so it didn't really matter. And it's because, I mean, sort of my fault. I've done this in the middle of peak hour. All the trams are super busy. And I haven't been able to really talk on them. And I had planned to do a few pieces to camera. Anyway, I think I have a plan. I'm gonna walk to UNSW High Street, get a tram to Randwick, and then change to the other tram that'll be sitting at Randwick and get that back to Central. And then it's just a matter of getting up onto the L1. But I had originally planned to be like finished in half an hour, but that's obviously not going to happen. I should also say, not only is this like my face reveal, my first like vlog style video. I hate filming in public because people look at you and you feel like you've got like a mental illness or something. Anyway, I should point out, this has never been done before, as far as I'm aware, which makes me the world record holder, even though I'm going to be really slow. But I'm still the world record holder. Because I don't know of anyone who's done this before, I'm making a record for people who want to do this. Oh, well, that sounds really horrible. So on my website, which will be linked below or in a card or something, I've made a new section for transport races. So if you attempt this and you do better than me, or you do worse than me, you can go onto the website, make a submission on the form, and I've set up some very complicated Google Sheets trickery that will automatically plug it into a leaderboard, and then I'll like verify it if I feel like it. I wanted to be on that one. Oh well. I should be able to make the other one that's up there in the platform if I run a bit harder. I made it. Just in time. Let's get this one back to Central. And then we just got the L1 left.
The next stop is UNSW High Street, followed by Walsing Road, Royal Randwick, then all stops to Circular Quay via Central.
The L1 real time's down, so I don't know when the next tram is. But there isn't one here, and I think normally there's always a tram at Grand Concourse. So I think we're looking at more delays. About 2 hours 50 minutes so far, but this is the last tram. Tram number 4. No, 5. Tram number 5. Gee whiz. And it's only 10:30 as well. Mind you, on my original plan, I'd be finished by now. Anyway. Ooh. I can see the tram. It's one of the new ones. Tram's full of addicts. It was full and then they all got off at the start. Anyway, we're on our way. Last tram, final tram. Number 5, I think. And we're at Glebe. And it's a new one. I thought they were going to kick us off, but they didn't. That's good. I think I'm about 3 hours, 10 minutes in though. Very far behind. Very far behind. One of the few times I've been all the way to Dulwich Hill on the tram. I suspect one of the last as well. It's so slow. And with all the TSRs as well. Anyway, we're ticking them off. And this is the fast bit as well, so it shouldn't be too much longer. I think we're due in 16 minutes.
This stop is Roselle Bay. This stop is Lilyfield.
There's now only one other person on the tram. They really need to make these like request only, because most of these stops nobody has gotten on or off at. We've wasted a good bit of time. There's some Greenway construction in the background. Looking good. Wonder when that'll open. Soon, hopefully, because I'd love to ride it. Alright, last stop. We're a bit late, I think. I answered my question. 3 hours, 36 minutes and 45 seconds. Once again, if you want to try this yourself, please do. The link will be in the description, and the leaderboard is open for everyone to see. I'll put my score in there. There's really nothing going on in Dulwich Hill. Nothing at all. Not sure I'd do it again. And I'll probably do it on a weekend or very early in the morning, so it's quieter. And also so that things stand a chance of running on time. It's nice and quiet though, I can like talk. Anyway, it's a nice skate park. So, yeah, thank you all very much for watching. Please tell me in the comments how beautiful my face is. And leave any feedback about like a vlog. I hate the fact that I'm now doing like public videos, but I signed myself up for it. You can only blame me. As let me know your like feedback, whether I should talk more, talk less, talk louder, talk quieter. What you want to see more of, what you want to see less of. I probably won't do too many of these because I'm so socially conscious. I don't think I can bear really talking this loudly in public. I'm just lucky that there is nobody else around. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you to members. And I'll see you again in 2 weeks' time. Bye bye.